I think a clickbait thumbnail is one that where your video doesn't deliver on what it is suggesting. Now you can be creative with that, and you can kind of look at it from different angles. Obviously, the goal of your thumbnail is to get people into the video. Now, again, there's a number of different things you could put on your thumbnail that have zero to do with your content, but may get people to dive into your video. And you want to make sure that you're not just showing them something, you know, that's very attractive but not related. So you really need to deliver on that. So like I said, there's creative ways to do that. And you just kind of have to experiment with it. But the bottom line is somebody going to watch this video and get to the end and say, this had nothing to do with the thumbnail? That's what you want to avoid. If whatever the case, you got people like, Mr. Beast, who has outrageous thumbnails, but he's one of the few people that actually recreates the outrageous in real life. But if you threw out a Mr. Beast thumbnail with whatever it is, 10 million Orbeez in a swimming pool, and your video doesn't have a pool or Orbeez in it, then obviously you're going down the path of clickbait.